Alright, so not a bad night, and the rain seems to have eased off a bit. And we're here now having a little bit of breakfast at the youth hostel, which is pretty nice actually, before we head on out and go to the Victorian village. So, let's go. So this is time travel come true, as we are transported back more than 100 years to see what life was like in the age of steam in the cradle of the Industrial Revolution here in Blists Hill, Victorian Town near Ironbridge. We took the Insta360 Go with us around this recreated Victorian town, and we heard from the grocer about what life was like for people back then, watched molten iron being poured, and met real Victorians going about their daily business in the streets, shops and factories of the era. Well, almost real Victorians anyway. We even had a bag of chips cooked in the traditional way, in beef dripping. Now, I'm not that old, but it certainly reminded me of my childhood.
Firstly about this, feel that it's marble and it's cold, isn't it? Compared to the wood, it's cold. So although refrigeration had been invented in 1900, in this area we didn't have any electricity. So we didn't have a fridge in 1900. So to keep the perishable goods cold, we would keep them on the marble counter, like cheese.
And I'll tell you all about it, then you'll be as wise as I am, which actually isn't saying a great deal. Never thought you'd hear Wagner in the pub, did you? Oh, that was very lacklustre and a bit late. What we're looking for there is a nice big vibrant hooray. It's a wedding.
Well, that was great, Ironbridge. Thank you very much. And we are now on our way and we're going to North Wales. Catch up with me next time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and I'll put some more Insta360 Go videos up on my channel. Cheers and go well.